If you're planning on going overseas, here's a bit of good news. At 67.5 US cents and nearly 106 Japanese yen, the Aussie dollar is the strongest it's been in the past year and a half. And for those flying to New Zealand, $1.17 is the best exchange rate you'll find since 2013. The Aussie dollar went up after the ABS released its November Consumer Price Index. So basically, inflation has fallen slightly, but it's still too high. So whether you're looking at the 3.4% headline number or the 3.2% trimmed mean, markets are still betting on at least one or maybe even two rate hikes later this year. So bad news for those with a mortgage. In the end, the share market went up slightly by around 0.2%. And once again, the big four banks fell sharply, presumably because their customers won't be able to borrow as much if the RBA ends up lifting rates in the next few months. So that's not great for their lending business. Meanwhile, China has decided to stop selling some of its rare earth minerals to Japan as tensions between the two countries worsen. So shares of Lynas Rare Earths jumped more than 14%, as it's one of the largest rare earth producers outside China. And oil stocks did pretty badly after a big fall in the price of crude, because Donald Trump says Venezuela will turn over 30 to 50 million barrels of oil to the US. So the oil market will be even more oversupplied. Gold and silver also went backwards, but are still close to record highs. And while share markets in the US and Britain hit new records, Japan and Hong Kong went the other way. And that's finance.